Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can create a new project in Visual Studio Code. Super fast and easy, so let me show how. So what you need to do here, you just need to right click on your desktop, select new, select folder, name it whatever you like, for example test, and then you just need to go to Visual Studio Code, and on Visual Studio Code hit file, then open folder, then go to where your folder is, and then here the project is created, and then if we press, for example, new file, we can add HTML, for example, file, we can add CSS and more. And if we go back on the folder here, as you can see here, the files is created here. And that's pretty much it, what you need to do here if you want to create a new project in Visual Studio Code. So if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.